Hi, so in this video we would solve verifying an alien dictionary. So first let's read the question. So in an alien language, surprisingly, they also use English lowercase letters, but possibly in a different order. And the order of the alphabet is some permutations of some lowercase letters. And we have given a sequence of words written in the alien language, and the order of the alphabet written true if and only if the given words are sorted lexicographically in this alien language, right? We have this example one, which is words hello and LeetCode, and these are the given order and our output is true. And there are another example of words of word, world and row, and these are the alien order and the output is false. So let's decode the logic behind it and then we'll start coding of it. So in the first example, we have these two words hello and LeetCode, and their first letter is this H and L, right? And the order we have given is H, L, A, B, C, D, and rest of this order. Now to check the lexicographical order, we would see the first letter of these two words first. Okay, so for hello we have H, for LeetCode we have L, and then we'll check this into our order. In our order we would see that H comes first, so H gets the weight of 1. L comes second, so L gets the weight of second. So in the order wise, H is the first. H should come at first and then L. So hello is coming first and then LeetCode. So the output would be true. Same wise, if we see the second example, we have word, world and row, and the order we have given is WORLD and then ABCD, ABC, all the rest one. Now we have three words, and let's see, we have W, and R, right? In this 5 language we would see R comes at the last in the third portion, so R will get the third weight, 3 weight. Then we have W 2 times. So now we'll check who got the first 0 in it. W gone, 0 gone. Now we'll see R again. They both have R with the same order. Now we have D. We have D in here and L in here, right? Now to check the order of D and L, we would see in our alien order, we'll see that L comes first before D. That means the word should come at number 1 and then word and then number 3. That means the order is false. And if we check the final one, which is example 3, we have apple and we have app, and the order we have given is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, then Q, and then the rest one. A, number 1, okay. Then P, both are in the same order, okay. Then again P, let down. Then we have L, and L comes here, right? That's been okay. Now see the third example. We have apple and we have app. Then the order we have of alien, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and the rest. A cuts, P cuts, P cuts, because they are in the same letters. Now we'll see app matches the length of apple within 3, means the less than the apple order. That means apple string length is greater than app, and app matches its first 3 order. And this signifies within the lexicographical order that this should give the output as false, right? Because you could simply say that there is no any letter, but there we have L, and as per the lexicographical order, it signifies that L will be always greater than a blank letter. Okay, that gives us the value of false. Now the approach we would use is simple, that first we'll map the alien order into a numeric value, so the comparison of letters with their digits become easier for us. Okay, let's say we have this order H, L, A, B, C, D, and the rest. Then we can easily map it into an numeric order, in the meaning of H will be 0, then L will be 1, A would be 2, B would be 3, and so on. Okay, and next we'll compare every pair of consecutive words to ensure that the first word is not greater, and then the second, right? So if we find a violation, we'll return false, otherwise we'll return true. That's a simple process we will approach. So let's write the code. So our first step would be to create a mapping of each character to its position in the alien alphabet. So for that we'll initialize an order map. So order map with new with length of 26. Now we need to put the values into it. So I0, then I up to order length then simply we'll map our characters in it. So order map of order dot char at I minus a, sorry, it will be lowercase, so say, which is to I. Okay, now before we compare each pair of the consecutive words, we shall create a function that compare each of the characters of both the words and gives us the boolean value if it's true or not. So let's do that first. So we'll do that in here, a private boolean function. Let's say name it correct, say is correct, and we'll pass the string into it. So string word 1, string word 2, and our word map, our order map. Okay, now let's find out the length of the minimum words. So length int len p math dot min within word 1 dot len and word 2 dot length. Now we need to compare each characters of both the words. So for I0 to I up to n, simply I plus plus, we'll put our characters. 1 order map of word1 dot char at I minus a. Same cat2 with order map word2 dot char at I minus a. Alright, now we need to check which one should comes first. So if char1 less than cat2, we shall return true because word1 comes before the word true. Else if char1 greater than cat2, we shall return false. Means word1 comes after word2. And if all characters are matches, then the shorter word should comes first, right? So return word1 dot length word2 dot length, right? Okay, now our time is to compare each pair of the consecutive words and figure out if the words are in a correct order. So for that we'll simply iterate up to words length to orders length, and then we need to check is the orders is in the correct order. So is correct, we'll pass our orders, we'll pass our words into this. So words I and words I plus 1 and simply pass our order map, and inside the code will return false, otherwise outside the loop will return true. Now let's run the code. Okay, there is an error. Let's see the okay, so all the test cases have been run. So see hello LeetCode, it's true. Then for test case 2 it's false, for 3 it's false. So let's submit this part, and yeah, so we have solved another questions of LeetCode array. So thanks for watching.